Hey everyone, VisionAutoworks here with the E9X M3 headlight modification for a customer. This customer purchased our sequential side marker modification, and he wanted to do some custom work to his headlights. He did want to do most of the stuff himself, so he actually sent the headlights in torn apart, and only requested us to install the Diode Dynamics Demon Eyes and the lens swap or lens upgrade for the factory projectors here. Um, we also have the lens etching done for him, and this is the Hexagon M3 logo. We're gonna cut the Demon Eyes on. Just give you an idea of what it looks like. Now, all the bezels and all the other internal pieces are with him, so these aren't a completed look or a completed set of headlights, as he's doing the majority of the work. Just needed some help with the lens tuning, getting the focal point right. Um, you know, Doing the lens swap. It's not a complicated process, but if you don't know what you're doing, and just put the lenses on, it can be worse than the factory configuration. So there is some fine tuning involved there. So we decided to take that on for him, and we also conveniently wired everything in terms of the Demon Eyes for him, so it will be plug and play upon arrival. These are the Diode Dynamics Demon Eyes. And right now they're set to a green. And we're just going to cycle through some of the colors here. Going to a pink, a reddish color. These also have true white. So they do have white chips on the board. It doesn't color mix for white, so it actually is a pure white color. And of course there's a lot of different patterns and customization options for these pre-built color shift modes. Here's the 7-color crossfade. We can do kind of like a strobe effect as well. Really quick on that. We can slow it down. Just a lot of apps, a lot of different modes in the Diode Dynamics app here. Here's like a red strobe. So if you need some help with your headlights, reach out to us. This customer was a previous customer of ours, so we did decide to, basically do maybe about 20% of this build. But yeah, just reach out to us if you have any questions. We can either set you up with parts or, do what you can't do if you're attempting a DIY. Visit us on the web at VisionAutoworks.com. Our contact information in terms of email and phone are there if you need to reach out to us for any specific questions. Thank you.